Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you've heard the buzz around Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other digital currencies, but you're not quite sure what it all means, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of crypto in simple terms, so you can start understanding the fundamentals. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to start your crypto journey. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Think of it like this: traditional money is controlled by banks and governments. Crypto, however, is decentralized. Decentralized means it's not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it relies on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is like a public, transparent ledger that records every transaction. This makes crypto transactions secure and transparent, which are two of its biggest advantages. Blockchain: imagine a chain of blocks where each block contains a set of transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it's very difficult to change. This is what makes crypto so secure. Wallets: you need a wallet to store your crypto. Think of it like a digital bank account. There are different types of wallets: software wallets, apps on your phone or computer, and hardware wallets, physical devices, like a USB drive. Mining: for some cryptos like Bitcoin, this is the process of verifying transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. They are rewarded with new crypto for their work. Now, let's look at some popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin BTC, often considered the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It's designed to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Ethereum is a platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Mention 2 or 3 other popular cryptos like Cardano, ADA, Solana, Sol, or Dog.eco, and Doge. Keep it brief. Keep in mind that the crypto market is constantly evolving, and new cryptocurrencies are emerging all the time. It's important to be aware of the risks involved in cryptocurrency. Volatility: the price of crypto can fluctuate wildly. You could make a lot of money, or you could lose a lot of money. Security: while blockchain is secure, crypto can be vulnerable to hacks and scams. Always protect your wallets and do your research. Regulation: the regulatory landscape for crypto is still evolving. This means the rules and laws around crypto can change. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, how do you get started with crypto? Do your research, learn about different cryptocurrencies and their use cases. Choose a reputable exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken allow you to buy and sell crypto. Create a wallet, store your crypto securely. Start small, don't invest large amounts of money until you understand the market. And that's a basic overview of cryptocurrency. We've covered what crypto is, how it works, some popular cryptocurrencies, and the risks involved. Remember to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on crypto and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.